dolls, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Exquisite.dee. Today's video I was able to do thank you to Supernova for reaching out to me to do this hair review for you dolls. In the wig bag, it comes with 2 wig caps and the wig, and it also comes with an elastic band, which you'll see later on in the video. This is a 16-inch 13x6 Bodywave lace front wig. The wig has 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable strap. And the color is 99J. It's such a pretty color, such a pretty body wave. So the night before, I just curled the wig with a curling barrel iron. And then I just put flexi rod just to hold the curl for the next day when I install the wig. This is the next day, and look at this hair. Look how the curls are sitting. It's so gorgeous. I'm so happy I accomplished something. Okay, dolls. So now I'm going to be installing the hair. I'm using the Got To Be Glue Free Spray. And I try to do another method when it comes to the ball cap method, and it didn't come out right, y'all. Like, look at it. It looks a hot mess, but we're just gonna have the show keep on going. So I'm putting free spray all around my edges. I just put it all around. I make sure not to drip because I hate when it drips and then it gets all everywhere. And if you wear makeup, you just know it's gonna be a whole mess. So I'm just gonna put it all around my hairline. Well, right above my hairline, as you can see. Now I'm going to be taking my Got To Be Glue gel in the black bottle. And I'm just going to use this to help make the gel, both of the gel and the free spray, be more sticky and make the wig be able to apply easier. Yeah, this method, I don't really like using Got To Be. I don't like using those sprays, but it's a go-to way to put your wigs on without having to glue with the actual glue. Alright, I like to take my handy dandy pink blow dryer from Revlon, and I'm just gonna dry the glue and the spray on a cool setting. I find when you use it on the hot setting, it tends not to get sticky. I don't know, it's my preference, but I use all the cool setting and I just go all around for a few seconds. Now I'm going to be installing the lace unit. What I do is make sure I position it correctly, and then I just press it into the glue and the spray that we put on. So I'm just pressing it in. Let me tell you, dolls, this is another reason why I don't really like using the Got To Be Free Spray and the gel method, because it usually don't really stick on the first try. So you're gonna see me like keep using the cone. You're gonna see me spray it over again and spray on top of that. You'll see me do that a couple times. I'm just letting you know, dolls, if you feel like you're not accomplishing this method, it's not only you, it's everyone. I'm telling you, it doesn't stick on the first try. You have to like keep on putting it, not a lot, but until you feel that it is actually sticking to your hair and to the wig. Now I'm just going to be cutting off the ear tabs so I can be able to take my ears out and they can show. Now that everything seems like it's laid down, I'm going to take the elastic band that came with the wig, and I'm just going to tie it around my edges to help the wig dry and literally melt into your skin. This is such an important step, dolls. You have to do this step. Now I'm going to take the rat tooth comb, and I did part this wig last night, but that was on the mannequin, so I'm going to re-part it while it's installed on my hair just to get a perfect straight line. I know it's not going to look perfect when you see it, but yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I can get it as straight as possible as a middle part. Now I'm going to take some foam wrapping lotion, and I purchased the one from Family Dollars. It's the Spritz brand. So I just use this foam to help me lay the wig down. I put it on my edges, the top of the hair. It just helps to mold the hair until you're able to get into your liking of style. Now I'm going to be taking my tweezers. I'm just trying to pluck the part out just to open up a little bit. I didn't pluck too much, just a little bit, because this hair did come pre-plucked, and the parting looks like it's really good when I part the hair. Now this is going to be self-explanatory. I'm just basically going to be trying to style the hair until I get to my liking. I'm going to be using the wrapping lotion. I'm going to be using freeze spray. I'm going to use the Tame wax stick that I got from Amazon just to get the hair parted and laid and flat to my liking, and then I'll be back, y'all. Okay, dolls, now it's time to cut the lace. I did try to use my eyebrow razor, but it wasn't fresh. It was an old one, so it was not able to cut into the lace. Make sure to purchase you a fresh razor. Those really be able to help you cut the lace. So now I'm going to just get my scissors, and I need new scissors too, y'all. It's just a bunch of stuff I need, and you're going to use the scissors to cut the hair. Make sure to go either like a zigzag motion. Make it as rigid as possible so it can melt into your scalp really well. And the eyebrow razor, you can find it anywhere, at the hair store, the drugstore, anywhere. Now I'm just gonna finger comb my curls out just to open them up, make them big and fluffy. Y'all, I didn't get a single, when I tell you a single snag. This hair is super soft. Like, oh my god, this hair is so soft, y'all. So look how gorgeous it is. I did reapply the elastic band on my hair just to make sure everything is melted in. Now I'm taking my face powder, and this is the Fit Me face powder from Walmart, and it's the color 355, and I'm just gonna put that all in my part so it give me a seamless, natural looking part. Now to make sure everything is blended seamlessly and looking nice, I'm just gonna prepare to do my baby hairs, and I also am gonna be using this little powder. It's like an eyeshadow powder. I'm gonna put it around my Lacefront hairline just so it can blend in really well. I don't want nothing to stand out when I take pictures or anything. Now it's time for the baby hairs. This is such a fun part of the process. I love it. So I'm just going to part out the baby hairs. It comes with these long baby hairs, and you can really use these to guide you if you're a beginner on where to part your baby hairs out, and then you cut to your preference. And I'm gonna be using the eyebrow razor that you seen earlier. So I'm just making sure I like where I'm gonna position the baby hairs, make sure it looks cute. And then I cut from short to long. I watch So Char. She's a Haitian YouTuber, and she cuts her baby hair from short to long, and I get a lot of tips from her videos. She does such a pretty job with her baby hairs. And I'm gonna take my edge brush, and I just want to make sure everything's placed right, looking good. What gel I use is the Got To Be gel, the yellow bottle, to lay my baby hairs down, and this is perfect. It doesn't leave no residue. I think it's way better than the black gel for laying baby hairs. Okay, dolls, now I'm just gonna slick this hair back. I love the behind the ear look. I feel like it's such a chic look, and I'm gonna use my wax stick just to lay everything down, and then I'll be back with the end results. Voila, all finished. Thank you, dolls, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Supernova on Amazon, for sending me this unit. I love it. Such a cute unit. It lays so flat. So I'll see you, dolls, in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on all my social medias. It'll be on the screen and as well in the description box below. Thank you.